Get ready to transform your space with 2Pages. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to install cordless bamboo shades for inside mount. Bamboo shades are an excellent choice for infusing your home with the natural beauty of bamboo, enhancing your living space while offering practical benefits. The installation package includes 1 bamboo shade, 8 screw sets, 2 wing nuts, 2 mounting brackets. Additional brackets are provided for wider shades to ensure stable installation. Here's what you need for the installation: a metal tape measure, a pencil, a drill, and screwdriver. Now let's get started. Step 1. Mark and drill holes. Hold up the bamboo shade and locate the pre-drilled slots on the headrail. Mark the spots with a pencil. It's recommended to position the brackets 1 to 2 inches from the ends of the headrail. Then drill holes into the window frame. Be sure the holes are properly aligned and level with one another. Step 2. Install the brackets. Align the brackets with the drilled holes and secure them using the supplied screws. Step 3. Secure the shade. Lift the shade with the front side facing you and align it with the bracket bolts. Insert the bolts through the headrail slot and tighten the wing nut securely to hold the shade in place. Now that everything is in place, pull the shade down and back up again to make sure it works. Great! Your new bamboos are ready to roll. If you're still having trouble with installation, don't worry. There's an installation guide available on the 2Pages official website. You can find it at the following link: twopagescurtains.com/pages/how-to-install.